In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tabs in a Confluence page. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want to add tabs. This should be the page you want to edit and organize, especially if you're trying to present information in a cleaner and more structured way. Tabs are useful when you want to group related content together without making the page feel too long or cluttered. Once you're inside the page editor, check whether you already have a tab app available in Confluence. If you don't, look over to the left panel and expand the apps section. From there, click Explore More Apps and search for a tab app. You may see options such as composition tabs for Confluence, tabs for Confluence, or something similar. The exact app name can vary depending on what's installed in your workspace, so just choose the tab app that's available to you. This step is important because Confluence typically uses an app or macro to create tabbed content. After that, go to the area of the page where you want the tabs to appear, click into that section, type /tab, and then select the tab app you've added to Confluence. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window should appear. In that pop-up, start by entering a title for your first tab. Make the title clear and descriptive so viewers can immediately understand what kind of content is inside. Next, enter the content for that tab. In most tab apps, rich text is supported, which means you can add formatted text and organize the content just like you normally would in Confluence. This makes tabs a great option for displaying grouped details, instructions, or reference material in a more compact layout. If you want to add more tabs, click the plus icon at the top of the pop-up and repeat the same process. Give each new tab a title, then add the content you want to display inside it. Take a moment to review everything before inserting it, especially if you're creating multiple sections and want them to stay easy to navigate. When everything looks good, click Insert in the bottom right corner, then wait for the tab block to fully load and appear on your page. Once it has been added, you can click each tab to expand it and view the content underneath. This lets readers move between sections smoothly without scrolling through one long page. And that's it. That's how you create tabs in a Confluence page.